Okay, this is how to install Enlightenment 25.1 in Ubuntu 20.04. Start your terminal and then type sudo add-apt-repository ppa : Nico 2040/E19. Then press enter. Next, type sudo apt update. When that's done, type sudo apt install enlightenment-y. Okay, when the install is done, you can close the terminal, then log out and log back in. On the login screen, click your name, then the gear icon in the lower right corner, and click Enlightenment. On your first login, we'll have to go through some setup. So for choose your language, then next. Choose your keyboard, and then next. For profile, I'm using a computer, so I'm going to select computer. For sizing, I'm going to go with the default. Window focus, I'm going to select whenever a window is clicked. Network management, next. Bluetooth, next. Compositing, next. Check for updates, next. Taskbar, check, next. Okay, Enlightenment is up. Let's check the version by clicking on the desktop, going to Enlightenment, and then click About. So we have successfully installed Enlightenment 0.25.1. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.